Mudbray.
Alolan Sandslash.
And this is
Reverse hollow.
Gothita Reverse Hollow. And then a Metal Energy. A Trainer Card Malo. A Energy Recycle thingy.
Trainer.
A Tendricrow. There you go.
Okay.
A Dark Energy. A Max Potion. A Recycle Trainer. Gothita. Fletchling. Machop. Phantom. Barboach. Carvana.
Reverse hollow.
Reverse Hollow Tree. And Vent.
I zoomed in a little
Talonflame.
bit.
Talonflame. And
Just to
that's it.
recap, we opened up 50 packs of Pokemon cards, 51 packs, including the
We can show them after. Clefairy. Tentacle.
Tentacool, Beldum,
Belbum.
careful with the cards, Hepatile,
Hell yeah.
Phantom, Alolan Geodude, Reverse Hollow,
Hey, that's cool. Look at that.
Alolan Golem, Reverse Hollow?
What?
No, regular Hollow.
Yeah.
A regular hollow.
That's pretty cool.
Psychic energy. Boom. Chicken nugget. Boom. Glalia. Watchog. And then multi-switch trainer card.
Alright.
Okay, so a Fletchling, a Machop, a Phantom, Barboach, Carvana, a
Reverse Hollow,
Alolan
Mola,
Alolan
Alolan Graveler,
a trainer card of Sun and McTang, Leaf Energy, and Wailord.
Alright.
So that was our 51 packs.
Just to recap,
of
we opened up 51 packs
show
of
our
cards.
right? Let's show them
We
all
opened
of our
up
cards.
51 packs of cards. Well, I don't want to
Leave them all out, like.
pull them all out.
I don't think you could even do that because
We can just show.
These are all the Sun and Moon cards here.
a lot of them.
Guardians Rising. These are all the Guardians
are just
Rising.
Guardian Rising.
And out of had to have been 30 packs of Guardian
We had
Rising,
one.
we got one Wishy Washy GX.
And in one of the other ones, we had like 100. No, I'm joking. Probably like 20.
I'm looking for
Because there was
them.
like one
so
in like
these
every
are
pack.
all of the
Oh, yes, I'm
Guardians.
Guardians Rising cards there. These are the Sun and Moon cards. We actually got some pretty good pulls out of Sun and Moon.
Yeah.
I'll look for them.
They weren't bad.
We got
at all.
we got a Solgaleo, I know that.
Yeah, we did.
GX.
Where is it?
Sparkly. Look for sparklies.
There's one.
Yeah,
There-
Solgaleo GX.
It's awesome,
Now look for
bruh.
the others.
So here's one. We'll just keep so you guys can not see, I guess.
And
Yep, we got two of these actually, Primarina GXs.
yep,
There's the other one.
That's awesome.
and Espeon I
And
got.
I got
Espeon
that
GX.
No, I got that one.
I got the other one.
Yeah.
The other one that was like that.
Okay, that's
Okay,
it.
so
in
we
this.
got those from Sun and Moon.
They're awesome, like awesome possum.
No, wait, let's get all the
And
GXs together.
Giovanni. This was from Breakthrough, I think.
I got
Yeah, this
one.
was from Breakthrough.
I got that one.
Let's get them all together.
Okay.
Okay. There.
Okay. We got a ton of code cards.
A
This is all
bunch.
our code cards.
51.
There's 50 actually because we didn't get one with that promo pack.
Oh yeah, because it's not considered.
This is what they
pack.
give with the promo pack, the 3-card pack.
Yeah.
Just this
I think that's kind of cheap.
advertisement thing. This was the 3-card pack here.
Oh yeah, here is my. I pulled a card bank break.
Oh, I got that.
No, I didn't.
This was
You
the
got,
Houndoom EX from Breakthrough.
I got that one too. You got this one.
Ooh,
Kingdra.
yeah, I got the best one out of all of them.
Kingdra.
That's like so pretty. It's like a deer that's really
Oh, this
beautiful.
was the...
Sorry. Sorry, it's
You
beautiful.
love that one.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, this was from Fates Collide.
And
Guys,
we
these are beautiful.
have,
Nothing in there.
nothing. I thought we had like a secret rare in here.
Well, we have one that's not really.
A rare. Oh.
I mean,
So these are all the cards that we just opened up, all
like
the
he
packs.
said, these are really hard to find.
Yeah, the
The energy.
reverse hollow
yeah.
energy cards.
I can't believe we have that much fun.
Alright, and that recaps our video
I hope you had a good time watching.
of opening up 51 packs, 50 booster packs.
Right?
And we hope to do this again, guys. Thanks for
Bye.
watching.